Okay, this is part 2. We're going to complete this word drawing in two-point perspective. So I'm on the W now. Actually, let me finish up this A. Straighten this side out a little bit with my ruler, make it nice and dark. The other side as well. I'm going to look for corners where I would see parts of the A. So right down here on the bottom left. Up here inside the A. Darken that in. Okay, and down here, I can see this part of the A because the W goes at an angle, so all of this little part of the block has been carved away. I can erase that. And then the top of the A here, go across. The back is the same as the front. The front goes down right here, so the back, just a little teeny bit of that is visible. Erase these lines because they're not part of any letter. Okay, now we'll start the W. Just darkening in these lines so you can see it well and so it looks good. Okay, now from this corner right here, I'll be able to see that side, so I need to draw a line there, and I'm going to take this all the way almost to the back. Because the whole side of that W is exposed, so we'll be able to see the entire side. I'm just drawing from every corner on the very top of the W until I hit the back of the block. So I drew from each one of those points. Now I've got to look, okay, the W comes down right here, so I'll go to the back and make a line that's parallel to that one. Then right here it comes down, so I need to follow that line back, make a line that's parallel. Okay, to do the back side of the W, the back is the same as the front, so I will line my ruler up with the front. I'm going to scoot it over just a little bit till it hits that top corner, and then draw a line. And another way you can figure out where to draw that line to, when to stop, is to draw lightly from the bottom right corner of the cube and go over. And then line your ruler up, draw until you hit it. Okay, now I will erase the rest of this block that's no longer part of the letter and work on the eye. So we've done all these letters on the left side of the page. The sides are going to the vanishing point on the right. Now we need to do the letters on the right side of the page. And the sides of them will go to the vanishing point on the left. So right here on this eye, find all the little corners where we would be able to see the side and draw towards the vanishing point. One more right up here. And I will erase everything that I don't want to be there. This N is going to be easy. Just a couple lines. Looking for those corners on the top. Okay, right here it comes down, so I'll go back here and find where the back is and go down, just like the front. Okay, now we'll do the final letter, which is a G. I just lightly sketched it in. Go in and make sure that it looks good. Anytime there's a horizontal line, got to make sure it's going to the vanishing point. And I used that middle line right there that we drew at the beginning for that part of the G. Just left it like that. Okay. Line my ruler up with the vanishing point, swing it up until it hits the curve of the G. Draw a line. There's a couple corners in here. Drawing lines towards the vanishing point. And then I've got one more curve on top, so I'll line the ruler up, swing it down until it hits that curve, draw towards the back. The back is the same as the front, so there's a little bit of a curve right there. I'm done with this letter, with this word, and I can erase all of the extra. Alright, and to really make this look good and finished, I would shade it, erase everything really nicely, and have a good finished drawing.